Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit themes on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, we are right now on my Shopify store and this is how the homepage looks like. So firstly, you need to go to the left right here and search for online store. Once you find it, give it one click and then make sure you're right here in the themes section. So firstly, if you want to change your theme, you can scroll right here and you're going to find popular free themes. So if you like a theme from here, you can click on add and then you're going to change to this theme. So if you want to customize your theme, just go ahead and click on customize. And then you're going to be right here in the editor. So basically guys, here in the left, you're going to find all of the elements of your website. So if you click on any element and go right here to the right, you're going to find the tools that you will need in order to edit the element that you selected. So for example, I'm going to change this text. I'm going to type heading instead. And as you can see, guys, it's changed also here. You can change the size, medium, small, large. You can make it bold. And you can also make it italic, insert a link. And lastly, you can generate a text. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.